let's see what we got today in this package. You may already guess what's inside by reading this sticker, so you can already imagine what we're gonna see today, but let's unbox it. This time I haven't published yet the first video in this new setup for the camera, but I really hope you liked it, because as I will publish this video you may already have seen it. And here we go. The package is actually bigger than I thought. And ta-da! The Eris E3.5 Bluetooth. These are audio monitor, so speakers for your PC, which are intended to be used in a more professional kind of way, because these grant a better audio than anything else, than your average speaker, of course. There are the instructions to open the box in a proper way, which is kind of nice, because many times I open them from the wrong side, so the product is flipped over. So I need to open it up, flip the box, and place the feet for the speakers. Here we have what we have: the feet for the speaker, some polystyrol, I don't know how it's called in English, and I didn't flip the box because I'm stupid. There you go. We have some silica gel to prevent the humidity from damaging our studio speakers, especially during the shipping power cord, and some audio cables, which we're gonna see in just a second. We can open this up, and we can place the feet. One here, one here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can have a proper look at the speakers. They're pretty light. I thought they would have been slightly heavier. This one is a little bit heavier because it has all the controls, as you can see. We've got a lot of connectivity, acoustic tuning for the highs and the lows. We have the TRS connection, low, left and right, the input left and right, and we also have the cable to convert the RCA to aux, and I think that is gonna be the way I connect them to the PC, as you can see. Then we have the aux in and the phone, Bluetooth, and the volume. So first thing first, we have the cables to connect the two speakers. Of course, we need to connect them. We have these little two switches, the black one and the red one, and also on the other speaker off as well, of course. So we only need to connect them. The black goes in the black hole, who would have thought, and the red, guess what, in the red hole. Okay, so this is the left one and this is the right one. Very clean, a nice look, minimalistic, all black with the bluish audio drivers, which is pretty elegant, not gonna lie. I'm gonna connect the power cable and where I'm gonna connect the power cable, I think I need a prolunga. There's a little blue light indicator on the speaker itself, so this means it's ready to go. The only thing left to do is plug in the RCA cable, which is right here on the back, and plug it in the PC. This is without any software or without any kind of optimization for the sound. Let's hear how it sounds, I should say.
Yeah, yeah.
You are not badass beat, keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's a no. Spot the Kenny about a million options, so it's talking to stop.
I'm stunned by the quality of the audio. Like, this moves a lot of air by this hole on the back. This is insane. Like, I can feel the waves of air coming to my chest. This is insane. The audio quality, the basses are so full. Like, my god, this almost sounds as a proper audio system with 5 different audio diffusers. This is insane. Like, legitimately. And also for the price, this is only how much? 120, I think. This is 123 right now. It's insanely good. I've tried a couple of audio systems with 5 different audio diffusers, and of course you've got the surround effect, but the audio quality is unbearable. Like, this is insanely good. Let's also try the Bluetooth. I've disconnected the cable. I can't use my phone because it's recording, so I'm gonna use this laptop, which also has Bluetooth, of course. There is a small button on the back of the left audio monitor, which you need to press for 3 seconds, and it should be in pair mode. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. E3.5 BT, which stands, of course, for Bluetooth. The device is ready. Okay, perfect. We can try this time maybe something not with copyright, because I'm dumb and I played a copyrighted song. Let's go with Cradles. One of my favorite non-copyrighted song. But Bluetooth works. Great. Oh, Spotify crashed randomly. I was worried for the audio speakers, but it's just Spotify. No cables, as you can see. Also, internet is lagging. No cable.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I skateboard the ice covered in ink and cross out the ones who hit my cars and watch me win.
I need to turn down the volume because otherwise my neighbors are gonna beat me up, because this is really, really loud and no distortion whatsoever. Like, this is legitimately one of the best audio experience I've ever had. I'm stunned.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Like, I'm hearing the sound backwards, of course, because I've placed the speakers in a way that you can see them from the front, so of course it's backwards for me, but also the Bluetooth is so... the audio quality is insane. Like, there is almost no loss from hearing it, like, at first glance, between Bluetooth and cable, which is really dope because many times the Bluetooth means worse audio quality, even if a little bit usually there is. This time, at first glance, I can't feel the difference between Bluetooth and wired cable, so wired connection. This is really great. Last thing I need to do is to install them on my setup. Let's move!
Thinking about a million options, so just talking to stop doing agreement. I'm rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me, they're seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction. She tit for dick, I let her lit, I had to dip. I'm on for fifth, I'm all rich now. I bought a whip, I paint a paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Walls hanging low while I...
It's time to say goodbye to the well-aged Logitech Z200. These are, I think, the best choice if you're on a budget for speakers for your PC, but it has come the time to elevate. And man, what an upgrade we've got! This is such a weighted update for me. But let's move, let's get it done. One thing I hadn't thought about until I placed them on my desk is their size. They are pretty big. They are 14 by 17 by like 20 centimeters. So you need to keep that in mind if you want to upgrade to an audio monitor, because you need to fit them somewhere on your desk or like with some support or something like that. If I had my second monitor, which I used to have, but it died, I hit myself, I would have had problems fitting them because the monitor was another 24-inch, so I would have had to mount the monitor on top of the other or to mount the audio monitors. After a couple of weeks of usage, I can say that these Presonus Eris E3.5 Bluetooth speakers are just amazing. They are capable of delivering high quality audio, incredibly high quality audio, without actually the need of a subwoofer. And this is what stunned me the most at first, because without a dedicated subwoofer, the basses are just so full and so present that at first you're really amazed by this. But these are not basses focused only speakers. In fact, you can also enjoy highs without any distortion whatsoever, like even at maximum volume, which you're not gonna use unless you're like in the middle of nothing, because otherwise your neighbor's gonna just kill you probably. But this is another story. Music, also vocals, are incredibly nice to hear. Even for editing, these speakers are really great, because especially during hot summer months, something like these headphones, which are amazing, I love them, but they are leather, okay? And you're gonna sweat a ton if you use them. So editing with speakers is a greater option, and that is what I'm doing right now, as you still have a really high definition of the quality of audio, so you don't need to make any compromise whatsoever there, but you still can enjoy like your ears not in a lake of sweat, which is also a nice thing. But let's now talk about prices, because these speakers are about 120 euros depending on where you buy them. And they are the Bluetooth edition. If you don't need the Bluetooth, and like personally, these are connected to my PC, so like with Spotify I can still control the music if the PC is on with my phone just by using the app. With YouTube I can directly watch videos there, so you can save about 30 euros there if you don't strictly need the wireless connectivity, bringing the price to 90 euros. And at 90 euros these are a banger. Like, I think this is the best option you can have for this price point. But if you need the Bluetooth, you're gonna spend these 3 euros more, which still makes this a great deal for you. Thank you so much to Presonus for sending over these amazing speakers for you to stick in until the end of this video. If you wanna see more like this one, click the subscribe button, the notification bell and the like. And if you want to, you can share this video with a friend you think could enjoy it. See ya!